Okay, and welcome to another Yanda tutorial. In this session, we're going to go over trading strategies that we've created. So they're the pre-programmed trading strategies that you guys can use. So along here, just click on the trading exchange that you wish to use, and you'll see here with the little robot icon, you'll see auto trading. So just click that button. And then you'll see over here on the right, we have 4 pre-programmed trading strategies: low volatility, high volatility, bear run, and a bull run strategy. Now you can look at the volatility here and see what the graph is doing to whether or not it's going to be high or low, bull run, or a bear run. Over here on the top left, you've got your place where you can select your base asset that you want to trade. So we're going to trade BTC LTC. You see I've got 6.9 LTC that I can trade on that account. So I'm going to just do a low volatility strategy for this one. So I'm going to do select the base asset, which is going to be LTC, and I am going to invest, say, 0.05 of an LTC. And you'll see here we got a stop loss of 25, profit from sale is 0.3, profit from buy is 0.3. We're going to try and end the strategy with BTC in profit, and we're going to lock in the profits at 0.1%. So as soon as it hits at 0.1% profit, my strategy will automatically terminate. So we're going to start that one. I'm not going to share this because it's just it's already on a shared strategy, but of course you can. Remember, if anyone copies your strategies, you can also earn from that trade. And we are live. Congratulations, you've started a new strategy. So I'll close that and I'll visit back to the dashboard and I'll show you that trade as being live. Okay, and you can see here, 31st of March, Poloniex, BTC, we got 2 running, so we've got the one previously and this one. If we just expand it, we can see that it's going to be doing the seller 0.3, the buyer 0.3, and it's going to close the strategy at lock-in profits of 0.1. So that's how to copy one of our predefined trading strategies. So good luck, and if you've got any questions, just send us an email at info.yanda.io or join our Telegram channel. We'll put a link in below if you're watching on YouTube, and you can join us there. I'll speak to you again soon.